Well,
I think you burned all the gas in there, revving it up.
supposed to be pulling it in to put a rear end in it, but it don't really look like it needs a rear end in it, does when it won't run. Oh, I gotta get up and help. Okay, so we got the Fox body on the lift. Starting to remove the 7.5 rear end. We got the brakes off. Starting to get the trailing arm bolts off.
The one thing on this car I've never changed or unbolted out.
Well, just show them right quick. One reason the rear end's getting changed. They can see it.
It don't do as bad with the tires off of it.
See? Oh, you're gonna have to hold that other side. Well, it ain't gonna do it like that, is it? It's got over a quarter round of, over half a round of play in it. Where to go clank, 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 clank,
Yeah.
clank, clank. You can feel it in the axles there.
Yeah. Like I said, used to, you can tell, but with the rear end put together, brakes and everything on.
But anyway, we're just about ready to set it out.
Oh, brake line.
Brake line, dry shaft, and this one, whatchamacallit thing. We'll about have it out. We got the old one out. We're going back with our brake stuff on this one. Start putting the new one in. The news one. This 8.8 by Tidwell Race Team for all your 8.8 needs. As long as you've got all the parts, we can put it together for you. Or if you got a pocket full of money.
I feel like that's a jab at me.
No, I'm saying if you got all the parts, we can put it together.
Yeah, because he didn't have all the parts.
Oh, that's right. I didn't even think about that. Okay, as long as you have most of the parts, and we might have some laying around, we can put you one together. But we're putting on our wheel cylinders. Gonna slide it up under here. Well, we gotta get our brake lines on too. Get our brake lines on, and we'll be ready to slide this thing up under there. What? That housing does look good. Woo! Whee!
Don't look at the half painted rear end.
That's what happens when you run out of black paint. We probably could have painted.
We could have painted it if he'd have had the positive traction already.
Well, what we could have done is painted the housing blue and the lid black.
Well, he ran out of paint in the budget when we had to use all.
Yeah, run out of paint in the budget.
9/16 work.
The budget didn't allow for a full can of paints, so we had to buy half a can.
Well, it's a very small budget. That's why it ain't shortened up yet.
Exactly. Well, like we said in the video, how to do a budget rear end build. Here we are.
What drops on my head in a minute?
What would this be called? Same book, different story, or same story, different paragraph?
Yeah.
Just a sad story.
Just a sad story. Here we are changing the rear end, and drive shaft won't work. Our drive shaft seems to be an inch longer. The 8.8 seems to be about an inch longer than the 7.5. So our drive shaft's too long. So we're gonna go ahead and finish bolting the rear end up in place and get everything on it, and then try to get the drive shaft working for it. Custom-made drive shafts. Alright, final touches. Putting the drive shaft in.
30 minutes to change rear end, 4 hours to put drive.
Exactly. But she looks good.
We'd lost money on labor.
She looks good.
Got back with the customer. Oh, you need $250 right there.
Well, here at 256 Garage and Tidwell Racing 8.8 rear ends, we don't guarantee that everything will work after we.
Well, no, you don't need to say it like that.
Yeah, we don't guarantee that it will.
The drive
Your
shaft.
drive shaft and stuff will fit after you install the 8.8. If you took out a 7.5.
This thing's make some scary noises all night.
Well, we got her in running. Carburetor don't even have a gasket under there. Running terrible. Here. It ain't even hitting all of them. Yeah. Well, you held that. Now let's take it to the track and see what happens after we get the carburetor straightened. Any roar in the rear end? Guarantee's over. Warranty's
It
up.
actually seemed smooth and all, but you know, I can't see.
That's why I told James, he ain't gonna be see nothing.
I couldn't see jack.
I kept thinking that movie, what is it, Crazy 8 or Hateful 8 or
And then, of course,
Great 7,
I
whatever.
think it's crazy.
I can't see nothing out of these bags.
I think it's crazy 8.
and of course, it's so running. So,
Yeah, well, it sounded like it was skipping up through there, sucking so much air.
yeah, so.
But the
And I
rear
was scared
end,
of dying and not being.
yeah, that's what I told. I was thinking, and I didn't say nothing to James, and I'm like, that thing's gonna die out there in the middle of the road. We're gonna have to run out there and push him off the road.
Because it died right there at the end.
Yeah, it died at the end of the driveway, but she fired.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Firebreak, I guess it got enough heat in it.
But man,
Well, there it is. Rear end's in it.
I don't know if it's just in my head, but it's got more pull than
It's
it
that
did
373s.
It's got more pull.
Let's go to the track.
I'm telling you.
All right, we're getting it unloaded. Leaking something. She does a burning. And 43. Never be hot there. Drop them a few pounds. Maybe drop them a few pounds.
Might have
Of course it
to be
looks.
15.